Welcome everyone, thank you for coming in today. There are 2 sheets of paper placed in front of each of you. One reads I have and the other I have not. You can answer by raising either of the sheets. Are we ready?
Yes.
Great. Let's begin. Never have I ever, at any point, felt uncomfortable in the presence of my boss or my peers. That is interesting. Let us move on to the next question. Never have I ever received any unwelcoming or inappropriate messages from anyone at or from my workplace.
So many times. I have lost count.
Once or twice.
Thankfully, nothing so far.
In fact, I just received one today and I deleted it.
Yes, I do remember receiving one.
Never have I ever or had anyone at my work environment pass inappropriate comments with sexual innuendo.
At work? No. Outside, yes.
Even if it is not at your office but some other place where you went with your colleagues and this happened, you can still say I have.
Oh then, here it is.
Never have I ever voiced out or raised a complaint about the situation or the person.